In this video, we will see how, after making a call, it is stored and how we can analyze. Let's go to call history, and here we can see all the calls we have made. The date appears. It shows if it is an outbound or inbound agent. The name of the agent, the type of agent, the customer's phone number, the duration of the call, if where the call originated if it is from the application, if from a third-party platform like Zapier or Make. The progress of the call has been completed. If it has been canceled, the voicemail has been skipped. Let's see it here. If there is extraction data, we can see the extraction data here. Then we can see the call transcript, what people have done, the user, and we can also listen to the call and download it. Very important. We have all the information we have about the calls made with our agent.